Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: accounts, up-to-date game, and stable connection. Once done, enable location and Bluetooth if the feature uses local scanning, and sign in to Nintendo Switch Online where needed. Now open Pokémon ZA and go straight to the Link Trade or Plaza section. Choose local for nearby players or internet to trade globally. You should see Join or Create options. Pick Create if you want control, or join a room if trading into an existing session. Once inside the trade menu, configure privacy and room settings so you control who enters, open, friends only, or a passcode room. Then select the Pokémon to send, verify held items, nicknames, nature, and form. Make sure the receiver's device shows you in the room. If using passcode, communicate it clearly. Also review restrictions. Some region-locked or event Pokémon can't be traded, and level or ribbon locks may block transfer. Confirm both sides, hit ready when selections match. You finish by having both players confirm their choices and press trade, then wait for the exchange animation and the confirmation message before doing anything else. If the trade fails, first restart the game and network on both devices, then rejoin or recreate the room with a new passcode. Make sure both software versions match. If problems persist, toggle NAT settings or switch between Wi-Fi and hotspot. Finally, capture screenshots or timestamps of offers to resolve any disputes with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.